Hi guys, so on today's video we're learning how to fix a zipper, and this is an open zipper with a rainbow teeth. So in this zipper we actually want just the teeth to show, and we don't want any other parts of the zipper to show. So we could use a red color, a blue color, any kind of color for this dress if we don't have the matching color, since it's just going to be the rainbow teeth showing. So we'll pin the zip all the way down to the end, so you can see how I've pinned it. So you first of all, you just have to mark your zip allowance. After you mark it, you iron along that entire line, then you pin it along that entire line. So in my own case, I used 1 inch sewing allowance, so 1 inch allowance for the zipper. So you can see how neatly I pinned it to expose only the teeth of the zipper. So the outside before we actually start stitching. So it's very important that you have your pin, you have a very nice zip, and you continue to do it neatly. By the time we're done pinning it, this is what we have. So the essence of pinning it is for you to see how it would look like as a finished work. So in my case, I noticed a little bit of error on the upper part. The fabrics weren't equal, so I just had to repin it and make sure they were equal. So you also have to test run yours, check and confirm before you actually start stitching. So now I'm going to be stitching using an industrial sewing machine. But while I'm stitching, I try as much as possible to control the stitch of the machine. Make sure one leg of the presser foot sits comfortably on the teeth. That's the two teeth for the sides. So the left side and the right side all zipped up. So this helps to keep the teeth in place while you're stitching. Now I actually run the machine very slowly, because if you run it too fast, you lose control of the presser foot and then it will start shifting the zipper, and then your work won't be very neat. So for us to get a very neat work, we try as much as possible to keep the presser foot in the loop, and then when we keep it in the loop, keep it holding the teeth together. The needle keeps falling very close to the teeth but not on the teeth. So we're done with part 1. The next thing, we also repeat the same for the other side, but when we get toward the end, we avoid the metal stopper as much as possible. So we're going to repeat the same thing for the other side. Make sure you cut off your thread, your loose thread neatly, so you can see how nicely this side looks. So we're also going to do the same thing for this other side. So you also use your presser foot this time around. I'm actually using my left side, so you use your presser foot on the right side, then the needle keeps falling in between. Normally a lot of people use invisible zip footer for this, but then I would always teach you how to use it the local way, because in a situation whereby you don't have an invisible zip footer, what are you going to do? Are you going to fix it with your needle, or are you just going to find a way to do it? So I feel you should just find a way around it, and that makes it easier for you. So it's been me, Ebere Chikwe from Eric's Academy of Fashion. If this video has been helpful, please like, subscribe, and please share. It means a lot to this channel, and we're going to send more of our videos. By the time you subscribe, you click on the notification button so that you can get notifications on when we send new videos. I promise you it's going to be all quality and valuable videos. So don't forget to follow us on Facebook. We have a Facebook group, pattern sewing with Eric's. So I'm going to leave the link to the group in the video below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.